Hi guys, how you all doing? Thank you so much for joining me here. So today's video reaction is by Diana Ankudinova and it says Blizzard. Guys, let's get to it. Cutie. It's cute.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима.
Сеет
снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума.
One good thing about someone that has talent is that once they open their mouth to sing, you will know, you feel it.
И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Тихо, саваном белым, вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты.
Energy is so much. I can't believe I'm listening to this song for the very first time. This is so beautiful. I'm adding to my playlist. It's the way she interpreted this song with anger, energy, resentment. She poured her heart into the song. I love it. It's hard to believe that Diana is only 14 here. Wow. She was in control. The energy she exhibited was way above her age limit, to be honest. Oh wow. Wow, her gift is divine. It's so cool to watch Diana's journey, to see through her journey and eager to see where she's heading to. Oh my god, the sky is just a starting point. I had fun watching her perform. I hope you had fun as much as I did. See you on the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.